Now in this video we're going to install Kali Linux Live to a DVD. Before I start, one thing that I find always helpful when I'm working with different files in File Explorer is to go to the View tab in the File Explorer. You can do this on any folder you want. It will affect all of them. Click View, and we're going to turn on this file name extension, because if you notice, we do not see the extensions on these files now. So let's just click that and turn it on, and now you can see, we can see the ISOs and the docx files and all these different types of files. That's very helpful. I'm going to go ahead and close my File Explorer, and now you'll see that I already have two Kali Linux versions on my desktop. This one is an ISO file, which I can tell now because I turned on that view, and it's the installer version. This is the one I would use if I'm going to put it on, let's say, VirtualBox. I would use the installer to permanently install it there. This is the live version, which means it's going to run directly from a disk, bypassing your operating system. So this is the one that I'll actually need. In order to get these, I would go to this site, kali.org/downloads. I would get the live version down here, the third one down, and the installer version for my VirtualBox up here in this first box. But right now I'm going to use this one. Alright, so we have downloaded it, and there's one other piece that we need to, in order to get the ISO from the ISO file to a DVD and make it a bootable one. I need something called CD Burner XP. It's free. You can just download here and install it, and once it's installed, you're ready to go. Now I already have it, CD Burner XP, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and there it is. I'm going to go down to Burn ISO Image. We'll click OK, and now I have the option of selecting the ISO image that I want to burn. So I will click Browse here, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and there's the live version, the one that I want for this. So I'll click Open. And now I want to make sure that it's going to my DVD drive, and as you can see, I've got 3 of them here, and I want the F drive. That happens to be where the DVD is that I put in there, and I won't worry about any of these things here. I will just click Burn Disk. Now this is going to take a little while to do, so we'll pause the video here. Okay, as you can see now, we're almost done here. We have written to the disk, and we're now closing the disk. We'll wait just a few more seconds. Alright, now we've begun a verification to make sure that the image is good on the disk, so we're almost done. Again, we'll wait for a few seconds. Okay, that process took about 8 minutes, which is a little more than half the time that it took when I did the USB version of it. It now says writing process successfully completed. I'll click OK. And then I go ahead and click Close and Exit. And my DVD is done, and it just popped out of the tray over here, and it's ready to go, ready to boot to, as long as my BIOS is set to be able to boot to a DVD.